The appointment committee of the Central Cabinet has approved the appointment of Dr. Poonam Gupta, Director General, National Council for Applied Economic Research, New Delhi, to the post of Deputy Governor, Reserve Bank of India for a period of 3 years. This is the order by the Government of India. Hello everyone, my name is Chandraprakash Joshi and welcome to iExamB for 50% faster preparation. You may have seen RBI's organizational chart. Right now there are 3 deputy governors. Fourth position is vacant. Dr. Michael Patra, who is an RBI insider, was holding the post of the 4th deputy governor. Currently, Mr. M.R. Rao and Mr. T.V. Ravisankar are the 2 internal candidates who have grown to the rank of deputy governor, and Mr. J. Swaminathan comes from the experience of working in SBI, a commercial banker. 4th deputy governor is an economist. Dr. Michael Patra is an economist, but from the RBI cadre. Now that position is going to Dr. Poonam Gupta. As the RBI Act says, a governor, not more than 4 deputy governor to be appointed by the central government, and these are full-time executive of RBI running the bank. Dr. Poonam Gupta comes with an experience as an economist. She is right now Director General of NCAER and also a member of the Economic Advisory Council of the Prime Minister. Dr. Gupta has worked as a lead economist in global macro and market research projects. She has been a professor in Delhi School of Economics and also researched at IMF International Monetary Fund. She acts as the convener of the Advisory Council for the 16th Finance Commission. Prior to NCAER, she has worked with IMF and World Bank as a researcher. She is PhD in Economics from University of the Maryland and Masters in Economics from the Delhi School of Economics. She is an RBI Chair Professor at NIPFP, National Institute of Public Finance and Policy, and as a professor at the Indian Council for Research and International Economic Relations. She is going to be the 4th woman deputy governor at RBI. Prior to her, KJ Udayasi, the first female deputy governor at RBI, and Shyamala Gopinath madam and Usha Thorat madam, both of them batchmate. All 3 of them, these 3 women, became RBI deputy governor as an internal candidate, joining RBI at the beginning of their career. If you are looking for joining RBI, you have a great opportunity. Notification will come soon. Some of you, those who are joining in very young, very early years, must become RBI deputy governor in coming days. Some people in the media feel that Dr. Poonam Gupta is not an RBI insider. She didn't understand central banking as of now, and just before the Monetary Policy Committee meeting, her appointment is in haste. But considering her experience and profile, she being an economist, a researcher, and the 4th deputy governor has to be an economist, it must add value to the RBI leadership. Let's wait and watch. Happy to see after a gap there is a deputy governor at RBI, and waiting that there will be a governor in RBI who will become first woman governor. I'm not suggesting her name. Don't bring me into the controversy, but let us see. Now RBI leadership is completed with her joining as a deputy governor. Hope the RBI Grade B notifications also come soon. For your 50% faster preparation, we are here and we are here to unfold your potential. I wish you all the best.